Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader, and the theme of this week's weekly video report was entitled Perception versus Reality. And really what I was alluding to is that despite the fact that there's a tremendous concern over the coronavirus, the fact still remains that the risk to most individuals is still extremely low. But the problem is the unknown around this virus, how it spreads, how it's likely to spread. And this in and of itself, the perception of the risk could cause its own self-fulfilling and downward spiral. We don't know where this may or may not head. And it's, of course, all of these unknowns that are working the market. But I also said that while there's a tremendous amount of emotion, there's a tremendous amount of volatility buffeting the markets, there are areas where I think there's almost certainty, and that's a very bold statement to make, obviously, in the volatility surrounding today's markets. But to my mind, when we see these outlier events, they are just catalysts for where the market was already going. And I've been talking for months and even years about the governing price patterns in the Japanese yen correlated trading pairs. And right now the Japanese yen is gathering strength against all currencies across the board. Now everybody's going to think this is related to the corona phenomenon, but this is what's been going on for months and years. If you've seen any of my emails, if you've seen any of my video analysis, I've analyzed dollar yen ad nauseum. I said that this pair is going lower and much lower. And when we see outliers events like this, to my mind, they just drive prices to where the patterns were already going. And this is just an amazing thing to me. I've been trading for many decades now, and it never ceases to amaze me that governing price patterns that were establishing weeks and months ago, are driving prices despite the fact that we have a new phenomenon. So I've been talking a lot about the dollar yen pairs and a lot about the yen pairs. I think they're all going lower. Remember, the yen is in the cross position, so it's in the second position of every currency. When I say the yen pairs are going lower, it means that the yen is actually going higher against these other currency pairs, which means those pairs are going lower. So to my mind, the place to be right now is on the side of the yen, as I think that it will continue to increase in strength despite all the background noise in the market. So if you would like to understand my methodology, understand how I analyze charts, how I analyze these yen pairs ahead of what's happening this week, then I would encourage you to check out my weekly video report. For a limited time only, we're making the video report available for any price you want to pay. So that's right. You can establish what you're looking for, what kind of value you think you're looking to get out of it, and sign up. There'll be a link attached with this video. Sign up to the weekly video report for any price you want to pay. Check it out, and if you like this analysis and think it may help you grow your trading acumen and your bank account balance, then I encourage you to check it out. So with that said, I'll see you next time, and have a healthy and prosperous trading day.